We have already learned about the notion of sustainability and how it is expressed in form of the triple bottom line, which were social, environmental, and economic. So what does triple bottom line mean in the context of supply chain and logistics? The economic aspect is already present per se, because the main objective of any supply chain is maximizing supply chain surplus, which is customer value minus all supply chain costs. However, environmental and social pillars are often taken for granted. Luckily, within the past decade, socially and environmentally sustainable supply chains have received increasing attention both from researchers and practitioners. Environmentally sustainable supply chain, also known as green supply chain, is a supply chain that generates little or no adverse impact on the ecological environment surrounding it. Some examples of environmentally unsustainable practices in supply chains are pollution emanating from fleet, and especially using air transportation, which is the most polluting mode of transportation compared to other modes such as rail or sea. A manufacturing plant which releases hazardous material and wastewater from its production to the environment is another example of unsustainable supply chains. Many supply chains have taken measures to deal with such unsustainable practices. For example, Carlsberg, one of the largest producers of beers, have recently started using biodegradable glue to attach beer cans, instead of plastic ring can holders which stay in the environment for a long time and cause harm to animal lives. Another example is the flooring company Deso. The company produces carpets with recyclable yarn which can be separated from the backing and used multiple times. Deso takes back used carpet tiles from the customers, recycles and sells them again to the market. Social sustainability in supply chain pertains to how the supply chain is dealing with the people inside or outside the supply chain, providing fair wages and fair working hours to the employees, accounting for their health, gender equality, and accounting for the well-being of society and behaving ethically and responsibly through the products and services provided are some examples of socially sustainable supply chains. Many Western garment and fashion companies supplied their products from the suppliers located in Rana Plaza, Bangladesh. In 2013, the building collapsed, ending the lives of 1,100 individuals. The workers in Rana Plaza were working in an environment with minimum safety and hygiene standards. On top of this, they received unfair wages for long working hours before the accident happened. So these examples, among others, highlight the overriding importance of considering social and environmental sustainability in supply chains. Supply chains must be designed with sustainability accounted for as an objective alongside profit maximization. This way, businesses can continue their financial growth while ensuring they do not make any adverse impact on the ecological environment or society.